closed circuit, we were thinking that we will be celebrating it when we will be crossing the figure of 2,50,000 crore. That of course has been our earlier aim, and by this time we should have been celebrating 2,50,000 crore. But because of the overall economic conditions and overall challenges which are to the banking sector and overall GDP growth being not to the expectations of everybody, and it is really a time for consolidation. And under the able leadership of Mr. Prabhakar, we have taken a conscious decision that it's a time for consolidation. Our quality has been that we have been continuously changing. Only because of our that quality, we have been able to survive. But the present, we cannot go with the same tradition, with the same procedure, with the same style of working. We have felt that we have to associate with us new generation customer. We should be as per the requirement of the time, because with the passage of time, banking has totally changed over a period, over 1 decade. Technology has taken its place. Customers' demands have been much higher. And we have to come up to the expectations of the customers. Customer is always right, that of course we all know. And we have felt that somehow we have to be ahead of our peer groups. That's why we took up the agreement with the McKinsey people. We hired McKinsey people, which are a global leader in terms of consultancy and all that. So that at least, and with the Nav Shakti program, I think Hyderabad employees are very much aware of how it has come out. But one thing is layout. Second is it's the machines which we are putting in it. And the most important thing is that our attitude. One thing is these two things are visible outside, but it is the attitude which is not visible. But it will be, because of the actions, it can be reflected. So we have to give the service according to the taste of the customer, according to the requirement of the time. And in this process, presently only 5 branches are being taken care of by the McKinsey people and by our people. And as you know, we have an outlet, more than 3,000 outlet we are having, and branches of about 1,890 branches we are having. So the task being very big. So why it is required is that the challenges before the banking industries are enormous today. Basic thing is our raw material. Those who will be having the cheaper raw material, that is the CASA. Only those can survive in the industry because they can offer cheaper loans. Cheaper loans means we can give qualitative lending. So qualitative lending can be given if you are having a cheaper raw material. So Nav Shakti, we have to go for the more CASA campaigning, and slippages have to be avoided. And the result so far for the pilot branches is enormous, very big, and the turnaround time which used to take, that has been reduced to just 1/3. And our customers are happy, and at the same time, our employees are also very happy, those who are working on those branches. They are feeling much more satisfied. So it is not only for the customer, it is also for the satisfaction of the employees that we have to go for the Nav Shakti. And I think we will be giving a good gift to our worthy chairman, whose dream project was Nav Shakti. And on his, say after 2 days, he will be going for superannuation. So I think the biggest gift will be that if we all adopt Nav Shakti, and make it a reality. I think he will not be physically present in his chamber, but he will be watching what we have been doing it from a far off place, maybe from Bangalore. So I think we can all resolve that we will be adopting it and we will make the dream very success, and as early as possible we will be taking the bank to a greater heights. Maybe we achieve 3 lakh crore of business very early. Wish you all the best.